Okay, students, we will discuss the third colligative property. The third colligative property is depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point. It is also called as cryoscopy. Cryoscopy. In simple words, decrease in the freezing point. Now, first of all, let us learn the meaning of freezing point. Freezing point is the temperature at which the liquid converts to solid. The temperature at which liquid converts to solid is called as freezing point. Now, when the liquid freezes, this is the question mark. When the liquid freezes. So, when the vapor pressure of liquid is equal to the vapor pressure of solid. When the vapor pressure of liquid is equal to the vapor pressure of solid, then the liquid start to freeze. For example, the pure water freezing point is 0 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin. So whenever a non-volatile solute is added, non-volatile solute is added to the solvent, pure solvent. When you add a non-volatile solute to the solvent, this leads to decrease in the freezing point of that solvent. Consider the freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. To such pure solvent or pure water, if you add few grams of non-volatile solute, then the freezing point is going to decrease below this 0 degree Celsius. It is going to decrease than the 0 degree Celsius. That is called as depression in freezing point. And that depression in freezing point we can consider as delta TF. Delta TF. That can be calculated with the formula TF naught or T naught F minus TF. Here delta TF is a depression in freezing point. T naught F is a freezing point of pure solvent or pure water, and TF is the freezing point of solution. So with this formula we are going to calculate the depression in the freezing point. Now, as depression in freezing point or cryoscopy is also a colligative property, then this property also, delta TF also, is directly proportional to molality, small m, molality. And now this proportionality symbol I am going to take as a constant, that is delta TF is equal to Kf into m. Here Kf is ebullioscopic constant. Kf is cryoscopic constant. Cryoscopic constant are also called as molar depression constant. It is also called as molar depression constant. Molar depression constant. Whose unit is? The unit is Kelvin kg per mole. Kelvin kg per mole is the unit of cryoscopic constant. Now let us substitute the formula of molality to find out delta TF. So delta TF is equal to Kf into Wb into 1000 divided by Mb into Wa. So students, here delta TF is depression in freezing point, Kf is cryoscopic constant, Wb is the mass of the solute, Mb is molar mass of solute, and Wa is the mass of solvent. So usually we use this formula to find out the molar mass of solute MB. So MB is equal to Kf into WB into 1000 divided by delta TF into WA. So this is the formula we are going to use to find out the molar mass of solute using cryoscopy.